How to make charts using AI with Lucid Charts. Hi everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intuito4U. In Intuito4U, we connect you with top professionals who specialize in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. From content creation to personalized tutoring and data-driven insights, we provide you access to experts who are passionate about helping you succeed. Looking for compelling articles? Or maybe you need help understanding complex subjects? How about a detailed data report to make informed decisions? Whatever your need, Intuito4U makes it easy to find the right professional for you. Subscribe now and start your journey with Intuito4U, where expertise meets opportunity. Let's achieve success together. Today, we're going to show you how artificial intelligence to create powerful and dynamic charts in Lucidchart, one of the best diagramming and chart-making tools out there. Whether you're a beginner or looking to streamline your workflow, this video will walk you through everything you need to know. Let's dive in. Let's start with ChatGPT. It's an AI chatbot that can help you with all sorts of tasks, from writing and coding to answering complex questions. And in today's case, ChatGPT will help us by suggesting the best ways to structure our diagrams. Now that we have ChatGPT ready, let's see how we can integrate it with Lucidchart to create amazing diagrams. Lucidchart is an online diagramming tool that makes creating flowcharts, organizational charts, and data-driven visualizations incredibly easy. But today, we're focusing on how you can use AI-powered automation and integrations to create charts that make your data come to life. First things, let's get started by creating a new chart in Lucidchart. Click on the Explore GPT option. You'll then see a prompt where you can type your requirements. Select the appropriate option based on your needs. Once you do, Lucidchart will open, allowing you to input your commands. Now, here's where the AI magic happens. Let's say you have raw data, and you want to create a chart. Rather than manually creating each visualization, we'll use an AI tool to analyze this data and suggest the where data analysis by AI suggests chart types based on trends or correlations. AI can analyze your data and provide insights into what type of chart would work best. For example, if you want to create a login database diagram, you just need to command to Lucidchart and it give you the whole instruction about it into data foam and ask from you that in which type you want this diagram. Once you select your type, it generated it. And now if you want a database ERD or a sequence diagram, it also generated. Once you command, it will generate it. Lucidchart's advanced features like auto layouts or data-driven charts. Lucidchart also has AI-enhanced features like auto layouts, which can help you automatically organize your charts to ensure they're clean and easy to understand. You can also connect your chart elements to live data sources, so as your data updates, your chart does too. Show the process of customizing chart appearance in Lucidchart. Once your chart is created, you can easily customize it with Lucidchart's intuitive design tools. Change colors, fonts, and even add interactive elements. Lucidchart makes it easy to fine-tune every aspect of your chart for maximum clarity. Show exporting options in Lucidchart, e.g., exporting to PDF, sharing a link, or embedding the chart in presentations. After you've perfected your chart, Lucidchart offers a variety of export options. Whether you want to download your chart as an image or PDF, share it with your team, or embed it into your presentations, Lucidchart has you covered. Show the host speaking directly to the camera with examples of charts on the screen. And that's how you can use AI with Lucidchart to create amazing charts quickly and efficiently. With the power of AI, you can automate the process of chart creation, making your data visualizations smarter and more insightful. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.